Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, May 31st. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the DAX, 60 minutes chart here. Alright, so we completed this with 2 as a ABC zigzag at 13,391. Then the rally from there looks impulsive. We got this 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1, and then this is 2, and then another rally that looks impulsive here with extension on the third swing. So we got 1 2 3. We should continue to see more upside here, at least a few more highs before we finish this 5 ways up from here. Then from there we should be ending with 1 and see a 3S pullback, alright, to correct this cycle before it rallies again. So as long as we stay above 13,391, any pullback should continue to find support and continues to extend to the upside. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit to get an idea about target as well as possibilities, alternates, and things like that. So let me copy this with 2 here into a daily time frame. This is the same with 2 that we see in the 1 hour time frame. So we started the next leg, so that means we are now within with 3 and soon gonna be ending 1 of 3 with a few more highs. So you can think of this as, alright, so a few more highs like this, then we're gonna be ending with 1 of 3. So if this is with 2 in blue, then this got to be with 1 in blue, and so that means we are talking about a rally that started from March 7, right? So this is the sort of the key level, the March 2022, and this is the secondary key level, May 9th, right? That's the secondary level. And for now in the shorter cycle, as long as we stay above this May 9th, 13,391, we should continue to extend higher, simple. Now in terms of the target on the upside, as you all know, right, this is the COVID-19 low in the March 2020, and indices has yet to be able to break the new all-time high, whether we're talking about US or non-US indices. But now we got the rally in the indices, right? We got the rally in the indices, and we're looking for if this is going to extend on the upside, which it looks like, then we should be looking for at least 100% extension here. So the minimum target would be 15,882, assuming there is no truncation or anything like that. Then we can go all the way to 15,882, and if we can break this previous peak and make all-time high, then we can actually extend even higher to 17,425 if this is a wave 3. Okay, so that is the idea right now. Now if, let's say, if we fail to break the new high, let's say if the market decides, okay, I'm going to correct more, all right, I'm going to correct more, then basically we could finish instead of 1 2, this could be ABC, and then we should be looking for C again. If there is no truncation, it could kind of retest this previous peak here, and then from there we can fail again and do a bigger sell-off, right? Like a bigger double correction of some kind. But for now, we completed this cycle, and then now the rally also looks quite impulsive, and we are looking for further upside as long as we stay above 13,391 with a possible minimum target 15,882 to the upside. Alright, so that's the update for today, and if you do want to get regular updates on the DAX or other indices, stock, ETF, Forex, commodities, cryptos, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.